How to redeem your coupon code on Temu. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me Pipan Besnat, and today I'll guide you on how you can redeem your coupon code on Temu. Well, the process itself is pretty simple and pretty easy, so let me guide you through. In order to redeem your coupon code on Temu, first you want to go ahead and open up Temu. You want to make sure you are signed in or logged into the particular account that you wish to redeem your code on. Once here, at the bottom of your screen, you'll find Home, Categories, You and Cart. You want to simply tap on You option at the middle bottom. Once you do so here, what you want to do is you'll find the option that says Coupons and Offers. You want to tap on it and open it up. Here, you should find the option to enter in your coupon code. You want to paste in or type in your code here and then tap on Apply and you're good to go. So this is the way that you can apply your coupon code and then you can use it while making a purchase. So hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues as well.